Have you ever wondered how to earn money while you sleep? Or perhaps how some people seem to make wealth grow effortlessly without constantly working for every dollar? Well, the secret often lies in diversifying income streams. In this video, we shall dive into the top 8 income streams every investor should know. Methods that will not only help you secure your financial future, but also increase your wealth in the long run. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your portfolio, these income streams are essential for building long-term wealth. Let's get started and explore these income sources. 1. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are one of the easiest and most reliable income streams for investors who want a steady flow of income. Simply put, when you own shares in dividend-paying companies, you earn a portion of the company's profits regularly. This could be quarterly or annually, depending on the stock. Companies like Coca-Cola and McDonald's, known as dividend aristocrats, have raised their dividends for at least 25 consecutive years, making them particularly attractive for long-term investors. These companies are solid, and the steady payouts are a great way to earn without selling your shares. While the yields may be modest, around 1 to 2% for most of the market, over time, you can reinvest the dividends, which accelerates your wealth-building process. The beauty of this income stream is that it requires minimal effort once you've made your investments, as the stocks keep paying out automatically. Many investors use ETFs, exchange-traded funds, that focus on dividend stocks, offering diversified exposure with lower risk and fees. By investing in a diversified set of dividend-paying stocks, you're not relying on just one company for income, reducing potential risk if one company underperforms. 2. Bonds and treasuries. Bonds are another solid income stream for investors looking for stability and low-risk returns. U.S. Treasury bonds, in particular, are considered one of the safest investment options. They're backed by the U.S. government, which means they're almost guaranteed to pay out, making them ideal for risk-averse investors. The return on bonds typically offers steady income through interest payments, but it tends to be lower than more volatile investments like stocks. That said, with current interest rates, bonds and high-grade corporate bonds can offer between 4% and 5% yield, which translates to $400 to $500 per year for every $10,000 invested. For investors seeking less risk and more peace of mind, bonds offer a relatively stable option, especially if you're nearing retirement or looking to protect capital while still earning some income. The tax efficiency of U.S. Treasury bonds, where the interest isn't taxed at the state level, is another major plus for investors. 3. Rental real estate. Real estate investing is one of the most well-known and effective ways to build wealth. While it requires more upfront work and initial capital, rental properties can generate consistent income while the value of the property increases over time. On average, rental properties can provide a return of 6 to 8% annually, depending on the location and type of property. For example, if you purchase a property worth $200,000, you might earn $12,000 to $16,000 per year in rental income after expenses, taxes, and maintenance costs. Over time, as the mortgage is paid down, the income generated from rent becomes even more substantial, making rental real estate an excellent long-term investment. Just remember, being a landlord isn't completely passive. There's a potential for vacancies, maintenance work, and other responsibilities. But once the property is set up, it becomes a powerful income stream. If you want to maximize your earnings from real estate, consider the value appreciation of the property over time. Many rental properties, especially in up-and-coming neighborhoods, experience value increases that help you build wealth even beyond your rental income. Additionally, with the mortgage paid off, you can see all the rental income flow directly to your pocket, significantly boosting your income. For those willing to put in the work up front, rental properties can generate wealth for generations. 4. Private real estate platforms. Real estate investing doesn't always mean buying property directly. Thanks to platforms like Fundrise, you can invest smaller amounts in diversified real estate funds, giving you exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of ownership. Private real estate platforms allow you to invest in a range of real estate projects, from residential properties to commercial developments, often with low minimum investment amounts. These platforms typically target annual returns between 7% and 12%, making them an attractive option for those seeking exposure to real estate without the stress of property management. As a passive investor in these platforms, you receive regular distributions of your earnings. It's one of the easiest ways to gain exposure to real estate while maintaining a diversified portfolio. You can invest in multiple real estate projects to minimize risks and enjoy the returns on a more hands-off basis. 5. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are publicly traded companies that own or finance real estate. What makes them appealing to many investors is that they are required to distribute at least 90% of their income to shareholders in the form of dividends. This makes them a solid option for investors seeking high yields without the need for direct property management. One advantage of REITs is liquidity. Unlike traditional real estate investing, which may take years to sell, REITs are traded on the stock market. This gives investors the opportunity to buy and sell shares as needed, making it more flexible. REITs can be a volatile investment due to market fluctuations, but they offer an easy, hands-off way to earn income from real estate, and they provide a diversified approach to investing in the sector. Many investors enjoy REITs because they offer a way to participate in the real estate market without the need to manage property or tenants. 6. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. Although savings accounts and CDs, certificates of deposit, may seem outdated or boring, they remain one of the safest income streams. Many high-yield savings accounts offer returns of around 4%, which is significantly higher than traditional savings accounts that offer minimal interest. CDs offer fixed returns over a specific period of time, typically ranging from 3 months to 5 years. The benefit is that they're FDIC insured, meaning your money is safe up to $250,000 per depositor per insured bank. The downside is that you can't access the money before the CD term ends without facing penalties. However, they're a great option for short-term goals or building an emergency fund. Even though they aren't flashy, the consistency and safety they provide make them a staple in many investors' portfolios, especially for those who prefer low-risk options. 7. Digital products. If you have expertise or a passion for something, creating and selling digital products can be an excellent passive income stream. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or software, digital products can provide a high margin with little maintenance after the initial creation. Once the product is made, it can be sold indefinitely and with minimal upkeep required. For example, if you create a popular course, you can continue earning money each time someone purchases it. This type of income is especially attractive for creators or subject matter experts who want to monetize their knowledge. A key to success here is marketing. Digital products rely on effective marketing and a solid platform to generate consistent sales. But once your products gain traction, they can continue earning money for years, providing long-term income. 8. Royalties. Royalties are another great passive income stream, especially for artists, writers, and creators. Whether it's licensing your artwork, receiving payments for a book, or earning from a song you created, royalties offer long-term passive income. Every time your work is used or sold, you earn a portion of profits. For example, if you write a book and receive 10% royalties on sales, you could earn money for years as people continue to buy it. Similarly, musicians earn royalties whenever their songs are played on streaming platforms or the radio. Royalties can provide a consistent income stream over time, often for many years after the work is created. The best part is that they don't require much additional effort once your work is published or released. This is a highly scalable income stream since it doesn't require constant input from you once the original work is created. Whether it's a song, a book, a design, or even a patent, royalties can provide consistent, hands-off income. If you're passionate about creating, royalties are a great way to monetize your talents and enjoy ongoing income for years to come. There you have it. 8 income streams every investor should know. These options can set you on the path toward financial freedom and a life where your money works for you. Whether you're looking for low-risk investments like bonds or aiming for higher reward with real estate, these income streams have something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content that helps you build your wealth. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time you give yourself to let these income streams grow and work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.